Dreaming of becoming doctors, study MBBS at NMC and WHO recognized universities in Bangladesh, Nepal, Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan and Timor-Leste at a fraction of the cost in India. From admissions and visas to education loans, Good Shepherd handles it all. Visit Good Shepherd Shillong today.
Hakamit jong kat khandai Tarik nailar araja arpun rio ke jingkawang tia gas bat stun shell da ki bor Pulit office ka KSU hajayau bat ki yeng bemarjan kala long ke pasir khaya hadu kata bat ke jing su pensat ya ki khmat kala long ke ba omla sha Hakati kamiat ki Pulit ki dang thmu banlet kam shu i ki khot ka seng na ka office trai kam hadin bagila dep kam yo president u vice president bat general secretary Henry Long bagila sha kawang da ki petrol bomb Kumta ki bor Pulit kila kawang da kustan shell bat ke tia gas ban pen pra ya ki badon hakati ka jaka Henry kani ka jingle ki Pulit kala wanra ka jingkan tho baki khlam perkhat baha ka te ka jakar ka deiru ka jaka badan ki yeng sa brio bat bamarjan ki jaka sumar Nakani ka jingkawang stan shell bat tia gas ki Pulit kila hab bani kendu bat ki nong song snong ki blami ban maham ya ki Pulit bat berthan ru ya ki hadu bakinda hapan pen Naki shell ki balpen bethai lalap bagi dei ki blakut kapor ban Pyndonkam ya ki bat kumju ru naki balalap haka step jong arpau Tarik nailar araja arpun rio ki balapoi sya ki yeng sa brio Deputy Commissioner ka East Khasi Hills District o Avilash Baranwal habakli kilat pathai khubor ulong bakadan kam ki Sakhi bat unse kran bat ki bor Pulit halor kane
I do not have confirmed report about that. I'm sorry for that. Maybe if you will bring the evidence to me, I'll basically pose these questions to my district police. But the right person to be able to answer this question will be the district police. But simultaneously, I can assure you that from our side, our intention and the government's intention is very clear. We want to ensure minimum damage to any resident of Shillong. The government has been extremely accommodative. I believe that media is aware of that. People are aware of that. That whenever it comes to taking a stand, the government has always taken this stand which is crucial, which is beneficial for the people. The government has been extremely accommodative. In this case also, the government had been accommodative. The government had called yesterday itself the government gave out a statement in the media that basically they are welcoming for talks. Simultaneously, one important crucial detail which I would like to mention is that on the night of 18th, we did, from the district administration, we tried our every effort to facilitate a meeting of the organization with Honorable CM. The Honorable CM was extremely generous in allocating time out of his busy schedule on the 19th. He was ready to meet the organization from 9 a.m. onwards. However, late in night, we received, and it was a written communication to the organization that HCM, Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, wants to meet them on the 19th at 9 a.m. We can share copies of the letters with you. However, unfortunately, as things unfolded, on the night of 18th, we were informed that the organization wants to go ahead with their bike rally, and if at all, they can meet the government only on 20th.
Hakaway pat kalyang uloang banna ka daw ka jingpen Kenya ki kendon kumta anom ai jingbit ye ke KSU ban penlong ye ke jing ki song kalan mongor ka balabu ban penlong ha ka arphaway Tarik nailar arhaja arpun rio
Conditions have been violated. Accordingly, the moment there is a condition in the permission itself that if these conditions are violated, it becomes an unlawful assembly. The permission stands revoked. So it becomes an unlawful assembly. Accordingly, FIR has been filed. Investigation is under process. As you are aware, that police has apprehended the three leaders of the organization, and simultaneously all efforts are underway to try and identify those people who were individually also involved in arson, vandalism and assault.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi panai kita. Ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha Pyndonkam daki mar ba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya